In this video we're just going to do a very quick installation of an Intel i7 CPU with a 2011 socket into an Intel motherboard. Since they're both Intel, this should go very smoothly. Your first step is to locate the two locking levers. This is pretty standard for all motherboards. You're going to open up these locking levers by pushing down and pulling away from where they are latched. You're going to lift up this door here. Now you've got a nice place to put your CPU. Most important thing, I guess, would be to make sure, I don't know if you can see the notches, there's two notches, two on the top, two on the bottom. I guess that's 4 notches. And just make sure they line up with the plastic recesses that are there in place. It's pretty much just a fail-safe to make sure you don't screw it up. And you're just going to set it right down onto all of those pins. Once you're all done, you can just button it back up, and then you're ready to try and figure out how to get that thing cooled.